Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what could very well be the best Amazon gift card for a wedding shower. The Amazon.com gift card in a 2022 floral reveal design. This gift card is the perfect option for those looking to add a personal touch to their wedding or bridal shower gifts while offering the flexibility of shopping from millions of products on Amazon. First off, this gift card comes in a beautiful floral design that is both elegant and timeless. Whether you're gifting it to the bride-to-be or using it as part of a larger wedding shower package, it's sure to make an impression. The design is understated, yet charming, with a delicate floral pattern that fits the occasion perfectly. Now, let's talk about the benefits of choosing this Amazon gift card. One of the most appealing aspects is the fact that there are no expiration dates or additional fees. This means the recipient can use it whenever they want, without worrying about it losing value or being tied to any specific time frame. Plus, the gift card is easily redeemable for millions of items available storewide at Amazon.com. So whether it's something for the new home, a fashion upgrade, or a treat for themselves, this gift card is sure to cover it all. Another great feature is the customization option. While the gift card itself doesn't have the recipient's name or the amount printed on it, there is the option to add a digital message at checkout. This personal touch appears on the packing slip, making it easy to convey your well wishes without the need for additional cards or wrapping. For those planning a wedding shower, this gift card offers great flexibility. It's perfect for guests who may not be sure about the best gift to give. With an Amazon gift card, the newlyweds can select exactly what they want or need from Amazon's vast marketplace, making it an incredibly thoughtful and practical gift. Additionally, the card can be conveniently scanned and redeemed using the Amazon app on mobile devices, so no need for complicated processes or delays. Whether it's for a bridal shower or any special occasion, this gift card is simple to use, easy to gift, and perfect for anyone who loves the convenience of shopping on Amazon. To wrap things up, the Amazon.com gift card in the 2022 floral reveal design is an excellent choice for wedding showers. It combines thoughtful presentation with the freedom to shop for what they really want. So, if you're looking for a gift that's both practical and personal, this is the one to go for. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest and in-depth reviews like this one.